There is a time I used to wake up and feel absolutely tired, undone, and frustrated. So I just wanted to figure out how can I overcome this kind of feeling. And then I found 5 minute journal. So today I'm gonna talking about 5 minute journal. So before deep dive on that, just look at how it came to existence. 5 minute journal was created by two guys called Alex Ilkon and UJ Ramdas. The two guys basically wanted to make personal growth very simple. And then they meet up with psychologists, many coaches, and so on. And then they came up with these ideas. 5 minute journal is basically 5 questions that you ask yourself every day. It's divided into two parts. At the morning, you just ask 3 questions and answer them. The first question you ask yourself, why you are gratitude for. So I am gratitude for, and then you answer them. Then you write 3 simple answers. So you don't need to complicate it more, just write down simple answer. For example, I am grateful for I am having coffee right now. I am grateful for I had great dinner last night. I am grateful for my family is healthy. These kind of very simple words that push you stay more positive or happier and avoid the bad things such as negative things or that had the problematic things that have been surrounded by you. And it also helps you to put more dopamine that helps you to, so there is a 1 questions at the morning you just write down. And the second is what would make today great. Is push you more organized your day. For example, what is a task you wanted to accomplish today? So there's the one task you just asked, and you can also prioritize your 3 major tasks. For me, coding, marketing, and sometimes brainstorming ideas about content. If I do this in the morning and I give me a purpose of the day, what is the most major tasks or what is my more main task to do, is basically organize and prioritizing your day. And third one is daily affirmations. Daily affirmations is writing some positive and powerful words about yourself. For example, I am very disciplined person. I can manage my stress really well. So daily affirmations, just write 3 simple daily affirmations, what you are doing and what you are capable of, this kind of stuff. Right now, let's look at night. So at night, you have to write 3 good things that happened today. So you don't need to write something accomplished unrealistic things. For example, I write someone I meet with, a new friends was calling me. I call, I talk to you. Basically, make more simple. I also celebrate if I accomplish my task. For example, like write code for 2 hours or took lessons. This really helped to grow me better. And last one is what did I learn today? This also really helps to grow you better. It's kind of reflection kind of things. What did you learn today? So you read books or you made mistakes and try to improve tomorrow. So this basically are reflections kind of things. So how is work? If I say to you, practice of gratitude that helps you to stay more calm and give you some of motivations and stay actually calm. Second one, to organize your day. So prioritizations, make more organized, give you a real purpose of that day. Last sections is reflections. How do you grow? So this is really scientific and help you grow better. So I think this will help you too. I have been practicing for 1.5 years right now. So this makes me more organized, more happier than before, and feel more getting done with that. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is kind of lifestyle kind of video, tactics or habits. So I will continue this playlist for you. What are the tactics I have been following? So follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and whatever you are watching right now. So thank you so much.